It was storming. I was committed. Had groceries from Target. I was living my best life. And it started to hurt. I swear it was crazy. And so I had to make a commitment. I made a decision. I said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When I got to 1, I was like, no, I can't do it. It's too much. I opened the door. My arm got soaked. I was like, it's too cold. When you make a decision and you make a commitment to something, you see it through, regardless. So today, what are you gonna 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Whether it's getting up, not looking at this video, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and do it. I don't care if it's cold, it's gonna hurt, it's not gonna feel good, you're gonna be wet, it's terrible, but you'll make it, and at the end of the day, you get to open that DiGiorno's, because it's not delivery, it's DiGiorno's.